Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Today is October 16, 2019, and today is Wednesday morning. So looking at the major economic events of the day, starting out at 10:30 South African time. Out of United Kingdom, we have a yearly CPI number coming out. Now that's important inflation number coming out. Then later today at 2:30, two numbers coming out. One from Canada, monthly CPI number coming out, not as important as the yearly CPI, and then core retail sales coming out of the United States. Now taking a look at the markets on a snapshot, British pound continues to grain above 127 versus the dollar. The Dow Jones continues to rebound nicely, traded above 27,000 yesterday. We've pretty much rebounded for a massive sell-off. Now looking at the commodities as a result of the Dow Jones going higher, gold pairs its gains to trade at 1584. And lastly, looking at the stocks, Microsoft and JP Morgan back on their all-time highs. Will they trade higher? Now let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So we're jumping here into the GBP and we're taking a look at a daily chart. Okay, and just to give us a perspective where we're trading, we hit 127.90-ish level, almost 128. And finally taking a little bit of a sell-off there right now to 127.05-ish level. Now this is going to be choppy. Okay, this trading is going to be very choppy. We had an ABC move. That's A, that's B, and that's your C move, and pretty much expiring here at 127.90-ish level. So we're really very choppy right now. Now there's a few things that could happen later today, okay, especially if we break this area of 127. We may recede back to the 125.90-ish level, okay, because this has gone up significantly over the past couple of days. Okay, so I do expect a little bit of a retracement. Okay, but if it does start to solidify and you see that it's not going further down, it may challenge this 127.90 again. Okay, so really very important to see that actually fruit later today as this continues to trade. Now jumping into the commodities, okay, really oil not doing much, so we're going to go straight into gold. Gold trading lower to 1483-ish level here. Okay, remember 1450 is our low, 1477 is our support level. So if we do break that later today, okay, with anticipation that the Dow Jones continues to rally nicely, we may see that actually fruit. Now looking at the Dow Jones, we hit this 34, and we are at resistance level. We're right now trading 90 points, 80 points below that at 26,922. Now this is quite pivotal, okay, especially since 27,000 psychologically is a very important number. Remember, we hit 27,300-ish levels several times. Let's look at a daily chart to give us that perspective, but never breaking higher. Okay, but that may change now since the stock are pushing the markets higher. If we look at Apple, hit all-time highs earlier in the week from $230 to $235 a share. Okay, not retracing so much here. Okay, it's still very bullish. If we look at Google, it countered back. If we look at a daily chart to 1238, okay, after selling off massively to below $1,000 a share. If we look at Facebook, trading at 188, okay, massive correction there as well. If we look at a 4-hour chart, we're not back in the $200 area, but we've bounced significantly from our lows of 172. Now lastly, looking at Microsoft, we're right there. We're at resistance at 141. So between the Microsoft, between the Apples, or between, we haven't even gone into the bank stocks. Okay, let's jump into JP Morgan right there at its highs. Okay, we're looking at a 4-hour chart. We saw that massive incline yesterday from 116 up to 121. Nice $5 move. Massive. Okay, these moves are really significant. Okay, just take 1,000 shares in one of these stocks, you made $5,000 in just day trading the stock. So this is very volatile and the markets are really strong. So I'd really like to see this queuing in of all these stocks that are just slowly telling us I'm going higher, I'm going higher, I'm going higher, but collectively the market is going higher. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, I would expect the markets to go higher if the stocks are going to carry us into all-time highs, especially if it bounces. Okay, so really take a breather about it. Don't chase them. Wait until there's a pullback. But once it goes up, it really should go up on a very volatile, very vicious way. This is Fred Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.